This way you can install WSL in your Windows machines. Just go to Windows Start menu and type in Turn Windows Features On or Off. Open it and scroll. Look for any options named Hyper-V, Virtualization, Virtual Machine, and most importantly, Windows Subsystem for Linux. Check mark all these and hit OK. A new window of installation will open. Once completed, you will be asked to restart your system. Now open store and type in name of your any distro you need to install. In my case is Ubuntu. Type Ubuntu and hit get for any version you need. Once completed downloading, open Ubuntu. After installation is completed, type in your username and password. Remember, passwords will be hidden, so do consider it. And you have successfully installed. If you want to install using PowerShell, so just open Windows PowerShell and type in WSL space -- install. Hit enter, and once completed, type in WSL space -- list space -- online. A list of all available distros will be shown. Choose one and type in the name of which distro you want. In my case is Ubuntu, so WSL space -- install space -t space Ubuntu. Make sure to consider capitalization. Once completed, open WSL by typing WSL and hit enter. If you face this type of error, go to check if you have turned all needed features. If there is this type of error, then just move to PowerShell, type in WSL space -- set -default -version space 2. Hit enter. And then type in WSL space -- set -version, name of your distro, which is Ubuntu in my case, and 2. Hit enter. Your error will be resolved. If the error persists, then download this file from our link in description. Run it, reboot your system, and error is resolved simply.